Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Rika Mirapan from BSOA 3PL. Today, I'm going to create a data table, pivot table, and a chart table. First, I'm going to put the cells of data, expenses description, category, quantity, unit and measure, amount per quantity, supplier, status, paid, total cost, and last is month. After data table, I'm going to highlight the data. It's going to insert and find the pivot table. And after that, we're going to row drag down and the data after the data, we're going to drag down in the column in the row of the category, and next we're going to click the value and put the calculate file and the drag down of category and total amount, put the quantity amount per quantity, and after that we're going to highlight the quantity and amount and going to insert and click the chart and find the pie chart, and after that showing the percentage of the cost.